In this video, I will be showing you how to log in to ChatGPT and manage your account. Let's get started. First, I go up to the URL address bar at the top of my web browser and type in chatgpt.com, then press enter. Once the page loads, I move my mouse over to the top right corner and click the login button. This pulls up the welcome back menu where I am presented with several options to sign in, including using a Google, Apple, or Microsoft account, or signing in with a phone number or email address. For this example, I click on the Continue with Google option. After completing the Google authentication process off-screen, I am successfully logged into the main ChatGPT interface. To look around the dashboard settings, I find my profile account name labeled Sample in the lower left corner and click on it. This opens a pop-up menu, and I click on the Settings option, which displays the General Settings window. Here, I see various customization choices like appearance, contrast, accent color, and language settings. Under Personalization, I find options for setting a base style and tone, checking features, turning fast answers on or off, adding custom instructions, and managing personal details like my nickname and occupation, which shows a setting for a student role. Satisfied with these, I click the close icon in the top left of the settings window to return to the chat screen. Now, let's explore how to create a conversation and save it. I navigate to the left side menu and click on the Options icon, then select the New Chat button. I click inside the message text box at the bottom of the screen and type a request to write a short professional email requesting a meeting with a client, then click the Send button. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT generates the email response template on the screen. To keep my chat history organized, I hover my cursor over the active conversation title, Meeting Request Email, under the Recents tab on the left sidebar and click the three dots icon next to it to show the options menu. From here, I select the Edit option, then I type a new title in all caps, labeling it Draft, and press Enter to save the rename. If I want to clear up space on my main dashboard without permanently losing the chat, I can hide it. I click on the three dots next to the draft conversation title again, and this time, I select the Archive option from the drop-down menu, which safely removes the chat from the visible recent history bar. To locate and manage my hidden chats later, I go back down to my account profile settings icon in the lower left corner and click on it, then click Settings. Once the settings window pops up, I click on the Data Controls tab on the left panel. In the Data Controls menu, I look for the Archived Chats row and click the Manage button on the right. This opens a dedicated box showing a list of all my archived chats, where I can see the draft conversation listed with its creation date. To put the chat back into my main active history bar, I click the Unarchive Conversation icon next to it. The list clears, indicating I have no more archived conversations, so I click the Close button on the dialog box, and then click the Close button on the main settings screen. Finally, looking back at the left sidebar menu, the conversation named Draft is successfully restored under my Recents tab, and I can click on it to pick up right where I left off. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.